Exam day. As the top law student, I reported myself for cheating. As I was cuffed and taken away, I smiled because I alone knew everything I did was to save myself. Excuse me, I have cheat notes in my pocket.
This examinee has severely violated exam rules. Stop answering immediately. I hereby declare your score for this subject invalid.
Isn't this our law school's ace student Marcus Chandler? He always tops every exam.
Is he crazy? Who confesses to cheating they didn't get caught for?
Top student cheating on the bar exam is digging his own grave.
Someone like him dares claim they'll become
A great lawyer?
a law student cheating mocks legal discipline and judicial integrity as child's play.
Silence. Anyone else speaking will be treated as cheating.
Wait, these cheat notes are wrong. Look at them. They're all civil law notes, but this is administrative law. Civil laws this afternoon.
What's going on? Could it be Marcus Chandler brought wrong notes?
Wait, these aren't statutes. They're civil law exam answers.
Oh my God. Report this to exam oversight.
Marcus Chandler, if cheating is confirmed per legal regulations, not only will your scores and eligibility be voided, but bar exam cheating is now a criminal offense. 3 years. How can you practice law now? Marcus Chandler, we're taking you in for investigation. Any objections?
Take me if you must, but I have one request. Study my cheat notes carefully.
We've checked them. Your notes contain civil law exam answers.
Marcus Chandler, a law student, breaking the law. How can you stand in court, defending justice for people?
Someone like you should be an ambulance chaser. Actually, no. Cheating makes you ineligible to practice. Marcus Chandler caught cheating, yet still arrogant? What's your defense?
Marcus Chandler, your actions will be reported to the bar. You'll be blacklisted from legal practice forever.
Take him away.
Professors, there must be a mistake. Marcus Chandler is the law school's top student. He masters all legal theories and is the prime candidate for top law firms. He'd never need to cheat.
Miss, I recognize you. You're Marcus Chandler's girlfriend. But unfortunately, the evidence is conclusive. Pleading won't help. He doesn't deserve to be a lawyer. Disgusting.
Joyce Sutton, Marcus Chandler's actions should serve as a warning, not warrant pleas for mercy. He's tainted the sanctity of law.
Marcus Chandler, your girlfriend, rushed here after her exam to defend you. And you? Do you deserve her or the justice you vowed? Is this what you call fair and just?
Is it? Joyce Sutton and I were childhood sweethearts. She always believed I could become an outstanding lawyer. I once strived tirelessly for her sake, but after today's incident, all possibilities between us are gone.
Take him away.
No, Marcus.
But this path I've chosen, this is what I truly desire.
Marcus Chandler, you're not just a top student at law school. You're the legal profession's rarely seen genius. Why commit such a self-destructive act? How will you face your clients in the future? How will you uphold the fairness of the law?
Because otherwise, I would die.
What did you say? You'll die.
You will certainly die. Your cheating has insulted the sacred bar exam. You deserve to die. You're not fit to be a lawyer.
Exactly. Marcus Chandler, someone like you doesn't deserve to speak of justice. Your life will forever carry the stain of cheating, rotting in disgrace.
As for Marcus Chandler, you can just keep rotting away.
Marcus Chandler! Marcus Chandler, have you lost your mind? The bar exam determines a law student's entire future. How could you screw up at this critical moment? Cheating? How will you become a lawyer or uphold legal justice and fairness? Moreover, you're about to graduate. With this cheating scandal, your diploma and degree will be revoked.
Professor Price, perfect timing. Marcus Chandler is your student who dared to cheat and still refuses to admit it. Claims he'd die if he didn't cheat. This mocks the sanctity of the bar exam.
Right, Professor Price. Please set him straight. He's beyond redemption.
This isn't just about graduation. If he keeps lying and resists punishment, he'll become a societal parasite, unworthy of the legal field.
Marcus Chandler, your parents are renowned lawyers. They worked tirelessly for 18 years, hoping you'd excel in the legal field and continue their legacy. Become an outstanding lawyer, yet you cheated on the bar exam, destroying your future. Such irresponsibility. How can you face them? How can you honor the legal oath you swore to uphold?
Marcus Chandler, do you think shame fixes anything? Your behavior only makes your cheating look undeniable. Who'll trust you to be a lawyer who upholds the law? Maintain your professional ethics.
You were once coveted by top firms as a legal prodigy, and now? Look at yourself.
Only by reporting myself can I truly enter a top firm and become a great lawyer.
Nonsense.
Seems like he's gone mad after getting caught, completely unhinged. Such law students don't deserve to join our profession.
Marcus Chandler, do you realize what you're saying? If you keep this up, the punishment will worsen. The entire legal community will shun you.
Marcus Chandler.
Attorney Swanson, you're here. Marcus Chandler. Failed you?
Attorney Swanson, if you're here to recruit for Golden Shore, but you're too late. Marcus Chandler cheated.
On the bar exam, the evidence is irrefutable. No denying it. He's unworthy to be a lawyer.
Marcus Chandler, weren't you about to join Golden Shore Law Firm? Why take the bar exam? If you already passed, why cheat?
What? He's already your lawyer?
Attorney Swanson, you must be mistaken. Golden Shore is the world's top-ranked law firm. The line of applicants could wrap around the Milky Way every year. Becoming a Golden Shore lawyer, it's harder than climbing to heaven.
Exactly. Marcus Chandler's just an ordinary senior graduate. How could he possibly be a Golden Shore lawyer?
I can confirm, Marcus Chandler has not only joined Golden Shore, but he's also our firm's youngest ever attorney in history. I'm here today to formally invite him to join Golden Shore with me.
Attorney Swanson, this has to be a joke. How is that possible?
If Marcus Chandler were a Golden Shore lawyer, he'd have exceptional skills. Why would he cheat on the bar exam? I don't buy it.
We've had numerous complex cases this year, yet Marcus Chandler single-handedly turned defeats into victories in court. His legal knowledge is immense, his litigation skills unmatched, unprecedented, and unparalleled. I can declare he's a legal genius. Therefore, we immediately made him a Golden Shore attorney.
Correct. Marcus Chandler has indeed become a Golden Shore lawyer. What? His license was specially approved?
Yes, through his year of outstanding efforts and collaboration with the International Bar, we expedited his license. This license is the only one globally recognized in all jurisdictions.
So you're saying...
That means Marcus Chandler could become the top attorney in any country he chooses.
Wait. This doesn't add up. If he's already your lawyer, why take the bar exam?
He became a lawyer before graduating. He started at the peak. Why jeopardize his career by admitting cheating at the exam?
Exactly. He already has his license. Why risk cheating on the bar exam?
Marcus Chandler, are you insane, or is this intentional, a publicity stunt?
I get it. He's using this scandal to gain fame. Marcus Chandler, if you want internet fame, don't trample on justice. This mocks our legal system.
Of course not.
It's obvious. He's being framed. Marcus Chandler. Tell the truth. Did someone plant those notes on you?
Marcus Chandler, if you say you're innocent, we'll investigate thoroughly to clear your name. We'll prove your innocence.
Marcus Chandler, you must have reasons. Tell us the truth.
No, I cheated. Those notes were mine.
What a tragedy. Marcus Chandler, you're bringing ruin upon yourself. You're destroying your own future, tarnishing the dignity of legal professionals.
No, I can't believe this. Marcus Chandler, you already received a special admission. How could you possibly resort to cheating unless someone forced you to do this?
Team leader Landry, what are you implying by saying this?
Marcus Chandler, tell me the truth. Did your past cases make you a target for threats? Is that why you resorted to cheating on the bar exam? So you'd rather throw yourself into prison through exam fraud for safety? For someone in your position, prison might be the safest place.
Marcus Chandler's always been outstanding. Why would he suddenly do this? He must be under duress.
Marcus Chandler, is team leader Landry right?
No, he's wrong. I did cheat.
Very well, Marcus Chandler. Since you insist on this path, the university won't show mercy. All academic honors you've earned in 4 years, including your public service medals, will be revoked. The law school will erase every trace of your achievements, wiped clean,
Professor, how can you do this? The public service medals have nothing to do with this incident. Why revoke those?
You dare question me? You destroyed your own future? This is your doing. These honors are reserved for students who bring glory to the school, contribute to its reputation, and uphold the law. Are you?
I could be.
Don't kid yourself. The police are already on their way here. You'll be taken in for investigation soon. You've disgraced the law. Say goodbye to your legal career. Freedom will be a luxury.
Marcus Chandler, how do you plan to face the legal community after this? How will you look your clients in the eye?
Professor, there's still hope. You have to believe me.
Marcus Chandler. Marcus. Son, what's wrong with you?
Mom, Dad's health is poor. Shouldn't you be at home, caring for him? Grandpa, Grandma, why are you all here?
Look at your state. How could I possibly take care of your father? Marcus, are you trying to kill me?
Marcus, you knew full well about your father's condition. He's been a respected elder-in-law. He's always been proud of you, wanted you to become a lawyer, to defend justice. But look at you now.
Dad, maybe you should go home.
Your professor called me, said you cheated on the bar exam. I refused to believe it, swore you'd never cheat. He told me to see for myself.
Grandson, did you really cheat? How can you practice law or help ordinary people find justice?
You've let me down so much. When I sent you to law school, what vows did you make? You swore that for every day, you'd strictly uphold legal codes and ethics. Have you forgotten everything?
Child, I always stood by you, no matter what happened, and this is how. You repay us, your grandparents. You've failed everyone who believed in you.
Boy, the Chandlers are a family of lawyers. Our reputation in the legal world means everything to us. This scandal you've caused. How can we face others? Our ancestors. I failed you all. This shame falls on me. I raised such an unfilial grandson. I'm unworthy of the Chandler name.
Mom.
Grandma, please get up from there.
This disgraceful child. Kneel down, on your knees. Look, do you want to kill your grandmother with this shame?
Are you Marcus Chandler, the only examinee in the county caught cheating on the bar exam? Do you realize this stain will follow you forever? How will you face professional ethics or become a lawyer serving the people?
They say you never scored below 90% in practice exams. Why cheat? Care to explain?
Give us a statement.
Say something. Marcus Chandler, respond.
Marcus Chandler, give us an answer. Respond now.
Stop filming. No more cameras. Marcus Chandler. Have you gone mad, trying to ruin your life? How can you uphold legal fairness now?
Enough. Let's go. Marcus Chandler, come with us.
Wait. Let him go, Marcus. I don't believe it. You wouldn't cheat.
Grandma, please calm down, Grandma. I'll make Marcus confess right now. Tell the truth. Marcus, say you didn't cheat. Grandma has a heart condition. If you admit to cheating, are you trying to kill Grandma with anger? Marcus Chandler, you're finally telling the truth.
Son, if your cheating is proven true, your father's reputation in the legal world will be utterly destroyed. Our entire family will face public humiliation. I'm begging you, stop confessing to cheating. I'm pleading for your father.
Please, I beg you.
Mom.
I, your grandmother, am kneeling before you.
Mom. What are you doing? Get up, Mom. Please, I can't get up. If I stand now, our whole family is finished.
Marcus Chandler, do you see this? Children should kneel to their elders, not parents kneel to their children. Marcus Chandler, won't you clear this up?
Dad.
Honey? What's wrong? Get up, dear.
Marcus Chandler, look what you've done to your father. Will you keep pushing until he dies?
Marcus Chandler, I misjudged you. With your father like this, you remain heartless? How cruel can you be? You're unfit to be a lawyer. No, you don't deserve to practice law.
My son, I know you've always been obedient and filial. Can't you do this for your parents and grandparents?
Marcus, deny it now. If they take you today, the media will spread this everywhere. Your life will be ruined, your career destroyed, your family's name in the legal community will never recover. They'll lose all dignity. Will you destroy 3 generations of Chandler legacy for pride?
Chandler, reconsider. It's not too late. You always preached about upholding legal justice. You couldn't have cheated.
Do you want the truth? The truth is, I did cheat on the exam.
Honey, our rebellious son, must you ruin this family completely?
Dad, I didn't. I cheated to protect myself.
Enough. Send Attorney Chandler back now. If we keep discussing, this could get dangerous.
I didn't. I never did.
How dare you deny it? Marcus, why would you cheat? Not only destroying your own future, but also dragging your parents down.
What's done is done. Marcus Chandler, despite your excellence, cheating is illegal. Your lawyer's license will be revoked.
Marcus Chandler, do you realize a rising star and prison inmate hang by your choices? How can you uphold the law's dignity?
Marcus Chandler, one last chance. Is there some hidden reason? That's why you claimed you cheated?
Thank you, Attorney Swanson. I want to tell the truth and satisfy you all. But the reality is, I truly cheated. I failed everyone and betrayed the law.
Marcus Chandler, how could you do this? Just say you didn't cheat. We'll support you. Even confront the exam supervision team.
Marcus Chandler, you're the pride of all law students. Tell the truth and we'll all help you.
Help me.
Enough. Inspector, we were done here. Marcus Chandler, come with us. Wait. The situation changed.
Wait, could it be my plan was discovered by him?
Chief Landry, did you find out that Marcus Chandler didn't cheat?
He didn't cheat. He's asking for death. He did something worse than cheating, something far more terrifying. He's challenging the bottom line of the law.
What?
How is that possible? What else could be worse than cheating on the bar exam? More terrifying.
Impossible. I don't believe it.
We don't believe it either.
Marcus Chandler, the Provincial Bar Exam Bureau, just verified with us. The answers on your cheat sheet and this afternoon's official bar exam answers are exactly the same.
Chief Landry, you mean?
We now strongly suspect Marcus Chandler stole the bar exam answers, stealing state secrets.
Marcus Chandler, why on earth would you do this?
Bar exam papers are top secret documents. If this is true, Marcus Chandler, what awaits you is not just 3 years in prison. If the circumstances are serious, you could be sentenced to more than 10 years. You will also be expelled from the entire legal profession.
Marcus, now that it's come to this, are you still unwilling to tell the truth?
Marcus, how could you be so confused? How could you do something like stealing test questions? Have you forgotten the agreement between us? Forgotten the oath you swore to uphold the dignity of the law?
All right. What? The Bar Exam Bureau now says the test questions weren't leaked. Marcus Chandler, what's going on here? We need to know the truth.
Yeah. It's come to this. It's time to tell you the truth. You really want to know the truth? Even if this truth drives you all crazy, you still want to hear it?
Marcus Chandler, tell me, how did you get the afternoon exam answers?
It's actually very simple. All you need is... All you need to do is run predictive simulations to calculate all the answers for this year's bar exam.
What did you say? Predictive simulations?
Marcus Chandler, have you lost your mind? Did something trigger this?
Marcus Chandler, what's this? You think you're some kind of detective? Sherlock Holmes novels got to you?
Correct. The answers you found on that cheat sheet were entirely derived through my predictive modeling calculations.
Enough. Enough. Do you realize the gravity of this situation? This isn't a joke. You're being recklessly arrogant. Do you comprehend the consequences of this crime?
Marcus Chandler, I'm so disappointed in you.
Marcus Chandler, I've always supported you, but now, how could you do this? How could you say that? You've betrayed my trust, your parents' trust, and your own principles. You've even betrayed the oath you swore to uphold the law with your life.
Marcus Chandler, you've betrayed me too. You've broken our mutual promise.
Marcus Chandler, your actions constitute the criminal offense of illegally obtaining state secrets. In severe cases, the penalty ranges from 3 years to 7 years imprisonment. As a lawyer, you know this better than anyone.
Everything you're saying, I already know.
Marcus Chandler, stop being stubborn. How many 7-year spans does a person have? Your life is practically over.
Marcus Chandler, wake up from this delusion.
I'll give you one last chance. Think carefully before answering.
Chief Landry. Everything you've said, I understand better than anyone. As a licensed lawyer myself, I'm fully aware what the consequences are for such actions.
What? You knew the risks, yet you did it anyway? This is willful misconduct, aggravating your offenses.
But all of this was deduced through logical reasoning.
Marcus Chandler's innocence.
Not only did I calculate the answers, I also predicted Golden Shore won't fire me. Instead, I'll become
an outstanding attorney. Enough, Marcus Chandler. By committing this criminal act, you're now expelled
from Golden Shore. Marcus Chandler, this is no joking matter. You'll be imprisoned
and disbarred permanently. Marcus Chandler, your so-called deductions hold no merit. All evidence indicates you committed fraud. As a lawyer, stealing state secrets
is criminal behavior. Marcus Chandler, is this how you show remorse? Your actions have consequences. Not only are you expelled from Golden Shore, we'll also report you to the International Bar.
For blacklisting Marcus Chandler, Attorney Swanson is right. If this gets confirmed, your license will be revoked internationally. Someone facing prison time.
Has no future left. Chief Landry, Marcus Chandler's behavior after getting caught cheating shows mental instability. Should we send him for psychiatric evaluation?
I'm not crazy. My mind is clear, and I don't need any hospital visits.
Fine. You're determined to keep lying. We'll have to take you in for questioning. Let's go, Marcus Chandler.
Get in the patrol car, gladly.
I welcome this. Wait, we can prove.
Wait, Marcus Chandler. Wait, hold on.
Chief Landry.
We can prove.
Marcus Chandler is innocent.
What are you doing here?
You are...
Chief Landry, they're former clients from Golden Shore's cases. Their cases were all tough. Marcus Chandler single-handedly turned things around, won their lawsuits. Marcus Chandler, look at yourself. What you've done has made those who respected you disappointed. You've completely let them down.
Everyone, I understand. Marcus Chandler helped you all before, but now he cheated on the bar exam. He fabricated predictions to lie. He deceived us. We suspect criminal acts. He must be investigated.
Chief Landry.
What are you?
Chief Landry.
We trust Marcus Chandler. He's not that kind. He'd never cheat.
Chief Landry, when my daughter was violated for 3 months, we had no evidence. Marcus Chandler helped us get justice.
He fought for us common folks, worked tirelessly, and ran everywhere. I believe he wouldn't break laws.
He wouldn't.
Chief Landry.
Don't take Marcus Chandler.
Don't arrest him.
Everyone, I know, Marcus Chandler helped you all greatly, but this matter is serious. Trust that. Our investigation team won't wrong innocence or spare the guilty.
What if I say we have evidence? This evidence proves Marcus Chandler couldn't have cheated.
Exactly. We have proof.
Yes, we do.
Chief Landry, they're ordinary people. How could they have evidence? I did cheat this time. Just take me away.
Marcus Chandler, you sacrificed so much for us. We won't let you be wronged.
Fine. Show your evidence. Show it now.
If anyone has evidence proving Marcus Chandler's innocence, present it now. You actually brought these.
These?
What?
These cases involved unusually complex statutes and profound challenges.
No ordinary lawyer could solve them.
Even experienced lawyers would struggle with these cases.
The cases Marcus Chandler handled were tougher than international court cases. Would someone like him cheat on a simple bar exam? Impossible.
Exactly. We powerless people
came here today to beg heaven for justice. We stake our lives on his innocence. Marcus Chandler would never cheat.
He's innocent.
Marcus Chandler confessed truthfully. Is what they said true?
They were right. But this time, I've let everyone down. I did cheat.
Marcus Chandler, you're utterly hopeless.
Look at yourself, Marcus Chandler.
You've betrayed so many people. How could you be so heartless? Your actions will face divine judgment.
Everyone, I understand. Marcus Chandler might seem like an outstanding lawyer and model student to you all, but this time his bar exam cheating is confirmed. We must take him in for investigation.
But
Enough, everyone. Marcus Chandler isn't worth your defense. As a lawyer, he knew the sacred bar exam tolerates absolutely no cheating, yet he cheated and was caught red-handed. Now he's spinning fabricated lies to cover his tracks. We now suspect he stole the exam papers. He must undergo legal investigation. Move.
Chief Landry.
Marcus Chandler, I know you must have your reasons, but we believe you'd never cheat.
I'm sorry. I failed you all.
That's enough. Your statements and evidence will be collected as supporting documentation. But I must emphasize, if Marcus Chandler himself won't tell the truth, no one can save him.
Enough.
All right, all of you, go home now.
Let's go.
Wait, I know the truth behind Marcus Chandler's cheating. I know. Why would Marcus Chandler cheat on the judicial exam?
Reporter Foster, what are you implying? Are you suggesting you know why Marcus Chandler really cheated?
You are.
I'm a special correspondent from Legal Daily. I know exactly why Marcus Chandler cheated on the judicial exam.
Reporter Foster, Marcus Chandler's alleged exam fraud case is still under investigation. How did you obtain the verdict?
I'm a professional journalist. People like Marcus Chandler can't hide anything from me. I'm here today to expose the truth about scoundrels like Marcus Chandler, their true colors.
Enough, Reporter Foster. This matter is under official investigation. Return home and await further instructions. Leave.
Wait, Chief Landry, how can you say that? Marcus Chandler, stealing exam papers, has severely damaged the legal community's reputation as the conscience of society. I must expose his crimes.
Could it be she's discovered something?
A top law student who already holds an international lawyer license cheats on domestic exams. Does that make sense? Do you really think this is possible?
We should trust Marcus Chandler's innocence. He didn't cheat.
We all believe
in his innocence.
I believe he's innocent too, but the harsh truth remains, there's only one truth. He deliberately cheated to achieve his goals, and his ruthless methods will destroy you all. This unscrupulous ambition will be the death of everyone here.
What proof do you have? Show your evidence.
Evidence? Right here.
What's that?
I've obtained an exclusive recording from Marcus Chandler's family. This recording can prove why he cheated.
Reporter Foster, words should be chosen carefully. Marcus Chandler's family just left. They don't know why Marcus Chandler cheated.
Attorney Swanson, you're unaware of how cunning students can be, outwardly innocent, but their hearts are full of filth.
Reporter Foster, if you have evidence, please hand it over to assist our investigation.
Chief Landry, this is unacceptable. This evidence must be made public and shared with legal authorities. Let everyone see Marcus Chandler, this despicable man. This recording comes from his cousin, who confided in me about Marcus Chandler's bar exam cheating. You're aware? Given your closeness with him, what do you know?
Before the exam, he seemed affected by some trauma.
What trauma?
He locked himself in his room, dazed, muttering Joyce Sutton's name. They had a fight and nearly broke up.
Did you all hear? Marcus Chandler cheated for Joyce Sutton's sake, the law school's campus belle.
Marcus Chandler, could her words be true? Did you cheat for Joyce Sutton?
This is just unbelievable.
Yeah, even though Joyce Sutton's grades aren't as good as Marcus Chandler's, but Joyce Sutton has also received scholarships. Plus, she's interned at a top law firm. Marcus Chandler, if you cheated for her, you're embarrassing yourself.
Marcus Chandler, I don't think you're the kind of person who'd do something like that.
I refuse to answer that question.
Joyce Sutton is the law school's beauty queen. Many guys pursue her, including some from wealthy families. While Marcus Chandler is just a senior in college, he can't compare to those rich guys. There's just no comparison. Over time, Marcus Chandler naturally felt inferior.
We know all this, but even though Joyce Sutton is chased by rich kids, she's completely devoted to Marcus Chandler. She is.
They're childhood sweethearts. Joyce Sutton publicly announced before that her future husband can only be Marcus Chandler.
But Even so, it doesn't make sense that Marcus Chandler cheated. I just don't get it. His family isn't poor. His dad's a lawyer. It's not the best, but it's more than enough.
You're completely wrong. It's precisely this mediocre situation that led to this. That's what caused him to do something illegal and criminal.
What?
Reporter Foster, what you're saying has to be based on real evidence.
Of course I have evidence.
By the way, Joyce Sutton is also under a lot of pressure. She really wants to get into Golden Shore to become a great lawyer, just like Marcus Chandler. But Golden Shore only selects the person with the top score on the bar.
Marcus Chandler. What reporter Foster said, is it all true?
No, she's lying.
Of course it's true. I can now confirm that Marcus Chandler cheated so that Joyce Sutton could get into Golden Shore. Because before this, in all the exams, Marcus Chandler was first and Joyce Sutton was second. Only if he was out of the picture could Joyce Sutton take first place.
But that doesn't make sense either. If Marcus Chandler wanted Joyce Sutton to win, he could have just turned in a blank paper. Wouldn't that have been better? Why cheat and get himself in trouble?
That's the devious part of his plan. That's his trick. Just turning in a blank paper, that's a silent and nameless act. How could he make Joyce Sutton remember him deeply for the rest of her life? Only getting caught cheating could make him national news. Only then would he remind Joyce Sutton for the rest of her life that he, for Joyce Sutton, gave up his future. He wanted to morally coerce Joyce Sutton in front of the entire nation for the rest of her life. So Joyce Sutton would only choose him.
Marcus Chandler. Is all this true?
That's why I always say women should steer clear of men like Marcus Chandler. They're narrow-minded and scheming. They'll stop at nothing to achieve their goals. Joyce Sutton, you should thank me. I exposed his true nature.
This is absurd. I don't believe Marcus Chandler is that kind of person.
We need to hear Joyce Sutton's side.
Marcus, I never imagined you'd go this far for me. This is all my fault. I'm the one who ruined your life.
Chief Landry, I request to leave immediately. I'll cooperate fully with your investigation.
Now that I've exposed you, you're scared? Marcus Chandler, you cheated on the bar exam for a woman. Aren't you ashamed of your despicable actions? Your parents, your family was so angered. They're hospitalized on oxygen support. You deserve this.
Reporter Foster, today's matters end here. Furthermore, your earlier claims are mere speculation. Until there's conclusive evidence, no publications.
No, I must stay composed. It's not time yet to reveal the truth.
Marcus Chandler, don't mistake my earlier defense in front of Lily Foster for sympathy. I'm simply fulfilling my duties as chief of the investigation committee. If the investigation proves you're cheating, you'll face imprisonment. Take him away.
Marcus, let me go, Marcus.
Joyce Sutton, where are you going?
Marcus, I never realized you cared so deeply. You sacrificed everything to get me into Golden Shore.
Chief Landry, can we leave? I can't stay here.
Marcus.
Joyce Sutton, what are you doing?
Can't you see? Marcus has been acting out a victim act, and you risked your life stopping cars for him.
Joyce Sutton, are you out of your mind?
Blinded by love, being used like a rag, and feeling proud of it.
Enough is enough, Joyce Sutton. For a guy like Marcus Chandler, it's not worth it.
Marcus Chandler, look what you've done. You've dragged all of us into this mess.
Joyce Sutton, have you gone mad? Do you have a death wish? Why stop the cars?
Don't take Marcus Chandler away.
What am I supposed to say? Your girlfriend went to such extremes for you, yet you cheated and landed yourself in jail. Was it worth it?
It's fine. I believe the law will give me justice.
Marcus Chandler and Joyce Sutton, you two really are star-crossed lovers.
Professor Price, get her out of here.
No.
Have you lost your senses, Joyce Sutton? For a man like Marcus Chandler, it's not worth it.
Joyce Sutton, there's plenty of fish in the sea. Why cling to one flower?
This woman's so quick to lose her head.
Just drive. She won't actually block us.
What? You sure?
Aren't you dying to know the truth? Then get me out of this school now.
Joyce Sutton, get out of my way immediately, or I'll charge you with obstruction of justice. Ugh.
If you dare take Marcus Chandler away, I'll kill myself right here.
Joyce Sutton, what are you doing? Don't be reckless.
Joyce Sutton, how can such a two-faced guy blind you like this? Even a pig's smarter.
Marcus Chandler, you bastard. Look what you've done to Joyce Sutton. You're heartless. Go to hell.
Joyce Sutton, I know Marcus Chandler's your boyfriend, but you don't need to go this far for him.
Please, I'm begging you. Marcus Chandler couldn't have cheated. Please don't take him away.
Marcus Chandler ruined himself and dragged others down. Everything's tainted. He's more venomous than a viper.
Joyce Sutton's so loyal. Even after all Marcus Chandler's done, she still pleads for him. How pathetic.
Marcus Chandler's a wolf in sheep's clothing, smiling on the surface, scheming behind that smile, stabs harder than anyone. How could the campus belle fall for trash like Marcus Chandler, the exam-stealing thief?
How can you laugh? Look at your situation. If our investigation proves the evidence conclusive, your life is over.
No, not time to reveal anything. For ultimate victory, I must suppress all emotions.
Professor Price, help drag her away.
Let me go, Marcus. Marcus. Let go. Marcus. Marcus.
Wake up. In Marcus Chandler's eyes, you're just a laughingstock, a desperate fool throwing herself at him.
Say that again. Joyce Sutton, your heartfelt devotion. Even dogs wag tails when fed, but feed him.
He'd complain it's rancid. Did your parents raise you just to be Marcus Chandler's unpaid maid? And ATM. Can't you see? Marcus Chandler's schemes? No wonder you're treated like a pack mule. You willingly put your head in the noose.
Then complain it's not tight enough. No. Marcus Chandler's being framed.
I must save him. Hey. Report to Judicial Inspection Headquarters now. What? All right, Marcus Chandler, that was the Legal Examination Task Force Headquarters Supervisor on the line. He says your case is highly unusual. The charges are extremely serious. Don't return to the inspection center. We're going straight to the provincial office. Director Gu from the Provincial Legal Examination Task Force will personally handle your case.
Finally, this moment has come at last. I've waited far too long for this.
Marcus Chandler, have you gone crazy from studying?
Chief Landry, my mind is perfectly clear. There's nothing wrong with me.
Marcus Chandler, how can you laugh about this? Do you know who Director Gray is?
I know Harry Gray, former security team leader, now provincial legal exam director. He's merciless, has cracked 50 major legal exam fraud cases.
Then you should know, cases handled by Director Gray, especially those he personally oversees, always end with minimum 10-year prison sentences.
I'm aware.
Marcus Chandler, in your situation, if the evidence holds, Director Gray won't go easy on you.
Perfect. I want him to handle me personally.
Marcus Chandler, you're too talented to ruin your life over this. I listened carefully to what they said. They made valid points. I don't think you'd break the law if you confess now and tell the truth when we meet Director Gray. I can use your cooperation to reduce your sentence. Seriously, think this through. You're gifted. Don't throw it all away. Let me help you.
It's time I told the truth. This is my only chance to save myself. I know that. Chief Landry, I've thought there's no point in hiding it anymore. Prepare the recording equipment. I'll confess everything now. The truth is,
today is August 8th, 2025. I'm from the County Judicial Exam Task Force, Team Leader Zach Landry. We've apprehended senior student Marcus Chandler for exam fraud. This video documents his complete confession as court evidence. All right, Marcus Chandler, you may now state the facts. During the August 8 morning exam, proctors discovered cheat sheets in your possession matching the afternoon exam answers. They're identical. On this matter, please explain to me where exactly you obtained the exam answers from. Spare me the speculations and excuses. I want the truth. Think carefully before answering.
I found them.
What? Say that again.
The exam answers I had were found on the street.
Nonsense. That's impossible.
You demanded the truth. Now that I've told you, why won't you believe it?
The Provincial Exam Bureau and our team have confirmed repeatedly the exam papers were never compromised. How could they possibly end up on the streets?
Exam papers have always been securely stored at the Bureau, under strict confidentiality. How could you find them?
Yes.
Marcus Chandler, at this critical juncture, will you still withhold the truth?
I am telling the truth. Those papers were genuinely found on the road.
Enough. I'll transfer you to Director Gray. You'll face the severest punishment.
Looks like we got rear-ended.
This is outrageous. Why's the car stopped here? How did this collision happen? Marcus Chandler, stay put and don't move. I'll check it out.
A collision at this critical moment. Something's fishy. This is highly unusual. Could it be?
Chief Landry, are you okay?
I'm fine. I've already called the traffic police, but the car's leaking fuel. We need another vehicle. Get out of the car. Sir, contact your insurance to handle this. We're in a hurry. Can't afford delays.
I just made the call.
Marcus Chandler, stay here quietly. Don't wander off. They've given orders from above. You must return to the province today and submit to the investigation.
Is he here?
Marcus Chandler, come with me.
Marcus Chandler.
Marcus, you bit me. Marcus Chandler, what are you trying to do? I had people follow you for miles, went through hell to create this chance, to rescue you, and this is how you repay me?
Forget about it. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Why? You had such a bright future ahead. Why admit to something you didn't do? You promised me you'd become a great lawyer. What happened to that? You've achieved so much in the legal field. Why throw it all away? Is it true what they say? Are you trying to trap me with emotional guilt? Force me to remember your sacrifice forever?
Of course not.
Then explain it. Why did you cheat? Why throw away everything? Marcus Chandler, we all believe in you. You're not a cheater.
No, we're not past the provincial border yet. It's not safe here. I need to stay calm.
Is it really like reporter Foster said? Did I make you feel insecure? So, you're using guilt to control our relationship?
Absolutely not.
Fine. Since you insist, you need to publicly deny the cheating allegations right now.
I can't do that.
All right, if that's your choice, I'll do what's best for us. This is about our future. I have no other choice.
What are you doing?
If I recall correctly, your father and grandmother both have heart conditions.
You're so mean.
I'm mean, Marcus Chandler. I'm so good to you. Yet I'm mean if you don't want your dad and grandma to have heart problems. You better come with me.
Go with you? Now that my cheating has reached the provincial inspection team, led by Director Gray himself, you want me to go with you now. Do you want to turn me into a fugitive?
Fugitive? I'm saving you.
No way. I have to leave here and go to the provincial inspection team. Only by going there can I save myself. Let go of me.
Don't refuse a toast, or you'll be forced to drink a forfeit. Come with me right now and admit you didn't cheat.
Let go of me.
Don't think I don't know what you're scheming. You think leaving here will make you safe and solve everything?
What do you mean?
Marcus Chandler, I'm warning you one last time. Come with me right now and admit you didn't cheat. That way, it's best for both of us. It's the best.
No way.
Marcus Chandler, watch out. Be careful, Marcus Chandler. Stop right there. You okay?
I'm fine.
Who was that guy? Wait, that figure looked like your girlfriend, Joyce Sutton, right?
That's definitely her.
She followed us all the way here? She came here just to take you away? Tracked us to this place? Hold on. The car accident earlier, could she be involved in this? No way, Marcus Chandler. Your girlfriend really cares about you to get you back. She even rammed our car. The inspection team, instigating crimes, will make your sentence much heavier.
I haven't reached the provincial team yet. Haven't met Director Gray. I can't fail at this critical moment. Chief Landry, take me to Director Gray.
Must be tough for you, but remember your purpose. Let's go. Made up your mind? Once you step in, there's no turning back.
Move out.
This is beyond hopeless.
Waited all this time, now I can finally save myself.
Smash him! Get him!
What are you doing? Stop this! Enough! Stop.
Congratulations, Marcus Chandler. You finally made it here to face judgment.
Reporter Foster, what brings you here?
I came to witness our bar exam fraud king's spectacular downfall.
The Provincial Task Force issued notice to conduct final investigations on Marcus Chandler. Save your words until the results come out.
I think that won't be necessary.
What's this?
This document I hold contains reports from 8 clients Marcus Chandler handled in Golden Shore. Their joint accusations.
They just swore at school that Marcus Chandler never cheated. What changed?
Wrong. This time's different. Marcus Chandler, do you know what's in here? Shall I read it aloud?
Could my plan have gone wrong?
It's simple. Director Gray is arriving. We won't waste time on your nonsense. Move out.
8 individuals filed joint complaints claiming Marcus Chandler had dirty hands before. They kept silent earlier to save face. Now, they've seen the truth. Marcus Chandler's bar exam fraud is highly probable.
What?
Your silver tongue won't save you from legal consequences. Open your eyes wide and see clearly. What's written in these documents?
Joyce Sutton? Joyce Sutton? Marcus Chandler. What's going on here? And those people who just defended you at school, didn't they swear you didn't cheat? Now they've all changed sides. We just left the school not long ago. Now they've all changed sides. Moreover, they even wrote this joint accusation letter. Worse yet, Joyce Sutton signed it too. Reporter Foster, who gave you this letter? This shouldn't be possible. A joint accusation needs to be agreed upon by all relevant parties first.
Chief Landry, this letter was actually given by Joyce Sutton.
What? Are you saying she's cutting ties with Marcus Chandler? But just now, she was head over heels for him. How could she switch sides so fast?
What's so strange about that? She protected Marcus Chandler before because he was her boyfriend. And she's the type of girl who's a hopeless romantic. Women can be fooled by men and make mistakes sometimes. Luckily, after I scolded some sense into her, she finally saw the light. Now Marcus Chandler's case has reached the provincial team. Director Gray will handle this personally. She knows there's no point protecting Marcus Chandler anymore. So, she naturally came clean with the truth.
Joyce Sutton's sudden change, I can understand. But why did others jointly sign too?
What's hard to understand? I should thank Joyce Sutton. She personally convinced them all to sign the document. She even thanked me for exposing your true nature as a jerk. Otherwise, she might never have woken up and reported you.
Marcus Chandler, if reporter Foster's words are true, the current situation looks bad for you.
Chief Landry, thank you for supporting me all this time. But given the circumstances, you can't help anymore. Let's just wait to meet Director Gray.
Meet Director Gray? Let me tell you, when Director Gray arrives, the first person to be dealt with will be you.
Fine. Someone like you deserves public shaming. For life, cheating is shameful.
Marcus Chandler, you exploited exam fraud to manipulate Joyce Sutton. Luckily, I exposed your schemes in time. I declare, your conspiracies have failed.
Think what you want.
Chief Landry, I'll personally deliver this accusation letter to Director Gray as direct evidence of Marcus Chandler's crimes.
What's this? What?
Director Gray, the superiors ordered me to bring Marcus Chandler to you for investigation. I brought him here as requested.
So you're Marcus Chandler.
Director Gray, I have a document here from Marcus Chandler's girlfriend and case-related parties jointly, submitted as testimony. They collectively accuse Marcus Chandler of cheating in the bar exam.
This is your evidence?
Isn't this sufficient?
Have you verified the legality and validity of this evidence? Did you consider any of this? This report contains only accusations and signatures. Not even a fingerprint is present. Reporter Foster, this is the Provincial Inspection Office, not a marketplace for rumors. Initially, Marcus Chandler admitted to cheating, yet these people insist he's innocent. But it didn't take long for them to collectively retract their previous statements. Such glaring contradictions in testimonies, and you dare present this? As a journalist, you blindly trust evidence collected within half a day without conducting proper verification. You handed this to me. Seems you represent not journalistic integrity, but opportunistic ambitions. Come with me. Before formal investigation begins, this is your last chance to tell the truth. Have you decided?
I've been waiting for this moment.
Regarding those exam cheat sheets, did you really just find them? What's wrong?
Exactly. That exam answer sheet. I really did find it.
Marcus Chandler, think carefully. If you withhold information in front of Director Gray, the punishment will be more severe. Director Gray, there are many inconsistencies here. Marcus Chandler has been hiding crucial details. I believe we should handle this with caution.
Provincial Judicial Examination Bureau investigated with us. The bar exam papers had no risk of leakage. There was no possibility of questions being known in advance. So how did you find them? The security measures for exam papers are extremely strict. They have A and B versions, and during transportation, no school had prior knowledge. You couldn't possibly know the exam answers.
Director Gray, this is what puzzles me too. So regarding Marcus Chandler's claim of finding the exam papers, I don't believe it at all.
Are you suggesting you deduced them through calculation?
You're right. The exam papers weren't compromised, but I'm telling the truth. That answer sheet was truly found by me.
In that case, we have nothing more to discuss. I'll have to apply the strictest penalty to your case.
Director Gray, you just stated that within the Provincial Bureau, the exam papers were secure. So which part failed then? Why don't you guess? I think you can figure it out. Under what circumstances could I have found an exam paper?
Are you implying?
Precisely. It's exactly what you're thinking.
I understand now. I'll make a call immediately. I hope this call can clear your name.
Marcus Chandler, at a time like this, how can you still laugh?
I trust Director Gray will deliver the fairest judgment.
Marcus Chandler, what's your game? What are you scheming?
Chief Landry, you'll find out soon enough.
Marcus Chandler, listen carefully. This is a serious matter. If you're ultimately found guilty, you'll face a public condemnation and physical consequences. Not only will your license be revoked, but it could endanger your family.
I'm not afraid. I've come this far. Soon, victory will be in sight. This time, I will clear my name.
Well, Director Gray, doesn't this prove Marcus Chandler's innocence?
Marcus Chandler, explain yourself.
What now? Don't tell me.
Marcus Chandler, you've been suspicious from the start. I suspect there's more to this, but we just received a call from the County Bar Association. They said they examined all exam papers and found one discrepancy This exam paper was tampered with and bears someone's fingerprints, and that someone is you, Marcus Chandler.
What?
You're still lying. Your story about finding it is complete nonsense. The truth is, you stole the bar exam materials.
Director Gray, what did you say?
The County Justice Bureau confirmed in the judicial exam packet, one packet was found open. On the packaging, Marcus Chandler's fingerprints were discovered. This evidence can only be interpreted one way. Marcus Chandler stole the exam materials.
Marcus Chandler. At this point, aren't you going to say anything?
Let's take a water break. Give Marcus Chandler time to explain.
Speak. I'll tell you now. You wanted the truth? Director Gray is right. The truth is, I did all of this. I stole state secrets. I deserve the death penalty.
I don't believe it. Marcus Chandler, what did you promise me? You said at the Provincial Bureau you'd reveal the truth. Is this your so-called truth?
I'm sorry, Chief Landry. This whole mess is entirely my fault.
I refuse to accept. Marcus Chandler, I still don't believe it. First, your legal brilliance is unmatched. You know better than anyone the consequences of crimes. Second, you're a filial child. You must realize this would devastate your family. Your family would suffer. Therefore, Marcus Chandler, you wouldn't do this. You're being forced, aren't you?
Chief Landry, thank you. But right now, I truly can't speak the truth. Chief Landry,
Chief, headquarters ordered regarding Marcus Chandler's case. After the investigation ends, submit the report immediately. Transfer to public security.
Marcus Chandler, do you see this? I reviewed your records. You wanted to be a great lawyer, to uphold justice and fairness. Is this outcome what you wanted? Chief Landry, what are you?
Director Gray, I can prove whether Marcus Chandler actually
stole state secrets. A solution? Chief Landry, let me remind you something. This matter is of critical importance. It's no trivial affair.
I'm aware.
Since you knew of a viable solution, why didn't you propose it at school back then, instead of waiting until now?
This approach of mine is a last resort. If it hadn't come to this, I wouldn't suggest it.
You're referring to?
Exactly. The inspection, I request to administer a polygraph test to Marcus Chandler.
Are you kidding me? Provincial inspection regulations specifically state polygraph usage protocols, unless there's significant factual errors in the evidence and approval from non-governmental personnel are obtained.
I understand.
Since you're well aware, why suggest this unworkable method? You know is prohibited, especially since you're a government official. Moreover, Director Gray already obtained evidence proving the fingerprint belongs to Marcus Chandler. This is conclusive proof. Marcus Chandler's guilt is undeniable, beyond dispute.
Indeed. He is right. Your proposal isn't feasible.
No. There is.
There is. But you're an official. Unless.
If I resign from the team as a private citizen to apply?
No. No, Chief Landry, you shouldn't have gone this far.
Director Gray, you once taught me, don't let those who gather wood freeze in storms. If I can't even pursue truth and justice fearlessly, how can I qualify as an investigation team leader? How could I defend the millions of ordinary people?
Chief Landry.
Marcus Chandler, you're an outstanding legal professional. I hope you'll become one of the greatest lawyers in history. Your silence about the truth tells me you must have your reasons. No need to explain. I'll find another way to prove your case.
Chief Landry, how should I tell you? The situation has changed. I can't reveal it now.
Director Gray, I don't grasp complex legalities, but I understand fairness and justice. Marcus Chandler's track record proves his competence. Now, he's trapped in quicksand with no way out. If we don't save him, who will? Director Gray, if you remain uncertain, review this evidence. Then you'll understand why I persist. Therefore, Zach Landry resigns as investigation team leader. As an ordinary citizen, I request polygraph testing for Marcus Chandler.
Chief Landry, I know you're passionate, but risking everything for Marcus Chandler? Madness. Boss, the County Exam Bureau has confirmed the fingerprint matches. Marcus Chandler's print was found at the scene. If we redo the polygraph and it clears him, your credibility would be destroyed. You'll become a laughingstock.
No regrets?
None whatsoever.
Stop. Don't.
Approved. Your request is granted. Proceed to polygraph immediately.
Director Gray, the next step is in your hands now.
No.
Marcus Chandler, don't you dare disappoint me.
All right, Marcus Chandler, come with it.
Get up.
Marcus Chandler, I'll be waiting right here. I trust the polygraph will reveal the truth.
Move.
Hello, it's me. Investigate someone immediately.
Marcus Chandler. Later, I'll ask you some questions. Just answer truthfully. If you're honest, the polygraph will show green. If you lie, the device will turn red. Are you ready? Marcus Chandler, that story you told me earlier, was it all lies?
No.
Marcus Chandler, now the critical question, did you steal the bar exam papers?
What's wrong?
If you don't want Harry Gray and Zach Landry to die with you, come with me. Do you hear me?
So it's you, Jack Sutton, Joyce Sutton's biological father.
You recognized me?
Though you and Joyce Sutton's mother separated long ago, she showed me your photo, and she told me her father's at the inspection bureau. That's why I recognized you immediately, at first glance.
So you didn't tell them the truth.
I don't know what you're saying.
Stop playing dumb. Why didn't you tell Director Gray the truth?
By my calculations, I wasn't brought here long ago, so this place must still be within the inspection bureau. Find a way to stall him.
Tell me why. You kept silent. Could it be you knew my plan all along?
I wouldn't risk Director Gray and Chief Landry's lives, because I knew if I spoke up, you'd kill us all. If I tell the truth, you'll kill us.
Marcus Chandler, smart assumption. Know what this is?
This is the poison you put in the glass, intending them to drink.
Have some water. Let Marcus Chandler explain slowly.
Talk. I'll speak now. You wanted the truth, didn't you?
You're quick-witted. Don't tell them the truth. If you reveal the truth, you'll be responsible for their deaths, the real culprit.
You're insane. You're with the investigation team.
I am from the investigation team, but also Joyce Sutton's father. Everything I've done is for my daughter, Joyce Sutton.
This isn't for Joyce Sutton. You're being manipulated and still helping them count profits.
What did you say?
I warned you, this won't help Joyce Sutton. Your actions will destroy her completely.
How dare you curse my daughter? Let me go.
I told you. You'll regret this.
I have zero regrets. If the truth gets out, then I'll regret it. Go to hell.
Let go of me.
If you die, no one can uncover this truth.
Marcus Chandler. Marcus Chandler.
It's all my fault. I failed to protect you. You were right. Assistant Sutton is suspicious.
Marcus Chandler.
Run. Chief Landry, get out of here. Don't waste Chief Landry's sacrifice.
Release me.
Report this incident to the superiors now. I won't give up. Who's backing? You. How dare they mess with my people?
Marcus Chandler, you think you've escaped? Your parents and grandparents aren't with you.
What are you waiting for? Take him to the police immediately. Marcus Chandler, it's over now. Marcus Chandler. Are you okay?
This is Marcus Chandler. The shock overwhelmed him, causing temporary unconsciousness. He should be stable now.
Okay?
Is there anyone here with the surname Sutton?
Of course not.
What about Chief Landry?
Don't worry, he's fine.
Though Assistant Sutton hit his head.
He's been hospitalized. Doctor said it's not life-threatening, just needs rest. We owe him this time. He investigated and found out Assistant Sutton's true identity.
What about Assistant Sutton?
He's detained, but won't say a word. Marcus Chandler, now that it's come to this, won't you tell me the truth?
Marcus
Chandler, I know why you kept this from me. You fear Assistant Sutton might retaliate if we expose him. That's your real concern. Relax. We didn't drink his water. Marcus Chandler, now the immediate danger has passed. You can tell the truth now.
No.
Marcus Chandler, this situation involves too many parties. It's no small matter. Your silence isn't protection, it's self-destruction.
I know. But Director Gray, I still can't reveal the whole truth.
Why? Give me one reason.
Because I must save Joyce Sutton.
What did you say? Save Joyce Sutton? Didn't Joyce Sutton team up with others to report you, yet you still want to save her?
Director Gray, I need your assistance.
Name it. If it's related to this matter, I'll help you.
Tomorrow, I'll convene in courtroom 3. Organize a clarification assembly regarding the truth of this case.
Mock trial?
This matter is crucial to me. It's about whether I can achieve self-redemption.
I genuinely don't understand you. Fine, if it truly can help you, I can assist.
Thank you.
Marcus Chandler. Somehow, my intuition tells me you've been wronged. Therefore, like Chief Landry, I'm risking my career to help you but don't let me down. Get prepared. 9 a.m. tomorrow in courtroom 3, we'll hold for Marcus Chandler a truth clarification session. By then, journalists and media will be covering it.
Director Gray, this press conference cannot be held. Director Gray, this press conference cannot be held.
Who put her in? I remember correctly. Here is, no idle people are allowed to come in.
You let me go. Let go. Director Gray, why are you guys holding truth release for Marcus Chandler? Also deliberately choose the third court. Where are you going? Can't you see? This is his trick of delaying time?
Reporter Foster, this is the right of our prosecution team.
You're crazy. Marcus Chandler is now theft of state secrets, criminal suspect. If he said something he shouldn't in front of the media, then the impact is too bad. I swear by my career, if you hold this, clarification release will cause to society serious impact.
Reporter Foster, you're not too embarrassed to say you blocked the clarification conference. Isn't it because your own selfishness?
All the things you said.
All the smear and rumor against Marcus Chandler is because of your past, because you once want to be a lawyer, but repeatedly failed in the law test. Since then, to the legal genius, you have twisted jealousy, blackened as traffic slaves. Your so-called social conscience is just your selfishness.
You're talking nonsense.
If you have any conscience, just take a good look at him. He's in a quagmire now, but insist on self-help.
Director Gray.
Director Gray, thank you. Thank you for speaking for me. This photo, Chief Landry, show it to you today. This girl is someone very important in your life.
She also encountered the same thing as you, countless attacks and verbal abuse, but she clenched her teeth. Stick to the end. Not only did she succeed in saving herself, also saved me. Zach Landry showed me her picture, just trying to remind me, don't forget the road.
Don't worry, Director Gray, I won't let you down.
You're welcome. But Reporter Foster's words remind me of one thing.
What?
The one law examination paper with your fingerprints on it. You didn't leave it yourself.
Why would you think that?
I had you investigated. Your whereabouts for the last 6 months, you had no opportunity to access anything related to the exam, anything at all. Besides, you already have an international law license. This bar exam, you weren't planning to take it, were you? So, I'm guessing the truth behind this fingerprint must be quite shocking. You implied that I should retrieve the County Exam Bureau's papers, certain that I'd find a problem. You don't need to explain. Right now, I only have one request. At tomorrow's press conference, you must prove your innocence.
I will.
This matter of yours not only concerns your future, whether you can continue to be a lawyer, but also concerns the justice and fairness of the law, especially Chief Landry. He sacrificed his entire life to save you, made the biggest sacrifice. Of course, that also includes me. I risked my career, so I hope you won't let down our help.
Okay.
I'll leave this to you. Is that okay?
Yeah. Director Gray, I have another matter that requires your help.
Are you serious? I'll immediately supervise it myself. Before that, don't act rashly. Okay.
This moment has finally arrived. Mom, Dad, Grandpa, Grandma, Director Gray, Chief Landry. This time, I will definitely tell the truth and save myself.
Marcus Chandler, it's you. We thought you wouldn't show up, and how dare you? You were clearly already stripped of your lawyer status by Golden Shore, and your law license is about to be revoked. Then, what right do you have to wear that lawyer's robe? You're practically defiling the sacred law.
Until the law formally pronounces me guilty, I'm still a lawyer.
Marcus Chandler, everyone's saying the evidence of you cheating is solid, and you'll be jailed for 10 years.
So today, you're holding this press conference
to refute the facts of the cheating scandal. Is that it?
That's right. I'm holding this conference today to reveal the truth.
The truth? Isn't the truth already out? That you cheated?
Of course not.
Marcus Chandler of Chen Mo, have you seen the recent public opinion? Every word from this conference will have a significant impact on the public's perception.
Of course I know. So, at this conference today, I'm going to expose the mastermind behind this entire affair and reveal the truth.
Marcus Chandler, I see your girlfriend has joined with the other parties to write a joint letter of complaint saying you cheated and demanding that the investigation team not let you off the hook. What do you think about that?
This letter of complaint was actually expected.
What? You expected this?
I've been waiting for this letter for a long time because it means someone is finally getting restless and showing their true colors.
Marcus Chandler, look at your clients. Someone you once helped now repays your kindness with betrayal. How can you still smile?
Marcus Chandler, have you no idea about the current storm swirling around you online?
Marcus Chandler, do you see this?
Exactly. This public outrage is precisely what I need. I want this scandal to blow up as big as possible.
What did you say?
The more attention this gets, the angrier people become, the better chance I have to clear my name.
Marcus Chandler, have you gone mad? Your words make no sense to any of us.
Marcus Chandler, something must have broken your mind. You're clearly unhinged. You're unfit to be a lawyer.
Director Gray actually called this humiliating, disgraceful press conference for you. His leadership position is as good as over.
Marcus Chandler, you claim to have proof that can exonerate you. Then why? Haven't you presented it yet? Show us the evidence. That proves your innocence.
Yes, explain now. You've stalled long enough, even demanded this public hearing, just to maximize the spread of your so-called truth, aren't you?
Attention, journalists. I'll now reveal the truth. I, Marcus Chandler, swear on my life, never cheated on the bar exam.
What? Marcus Chandler, is this true?
Was that the truth? You didn't cheat?
He's obviously lying.
Marcus Chandler, how dare you show up in the third court, have the audacity to wear that lawyer's robe?
When we saw your press conference announcement, we rushed here immediately. You're utterly shameless, cheating on the bar exam and still daring to host a clarification meeting. What's next? Sharing cheating techniques?
Disgusting. You cheated on the bar exam. You've got zero respect for the law in your bones. Will you fabricate evidence for clients as a lawyer or bribe judges with dirty money too?
Marcus Chandler, others grind day and night, while you steal spots. Through cheating. Where's your dignity? Tossed in the gutter?
I'm not.
Marcus Chandler, we trusted you completely, and you betrayed us all. This public deception.
Marcus Chandler, you're unfit to be a lawyer. Law should balance justice, but your cheating destroys its integrity.
You all heard me. I swear on my life, I didn't cheat. The exam was fair. Liar.
Marcus Chandler, Joyce Sutton revealed the whole truth. Your fingerprints were found on the exam envelope. The evidence is undeniable.
Marcus Chandler, those fingerprints, you can't possibly deny their existence. Still claiming innocence despite this?
You sneaked past the legal threshold like a thief. Even with a license, you'll be the cancer of the legal community, a disgrace.
Those fingerprints weren't mine.
Hear yourself. Who'd believe you now?
Marcus Chandler, all high and mighty before, but your true colors show now. Cheating has ruined your legal reputation forever. You're rotten to the core.
Marcus Chandler. First, you confessed cheating. Now claim innocence. Can't you see your contradictions?
Marcus Chandler, the whole internet condemns you. You'll pay for this, yet you still host this sham conference? Have you no shame? Your parents lie sick in hospital. How could you face them?
Are my parents? Are they okay?
Oh, now you care. Where was this concern? When you cheated, did they cross your mind? You're utterly unfit for law. I'm ashamed to have taught you. No more lies to spin. Finally realized evidence speaks louder than your excuses. It's pointless.
Marcus Chandler, since even your professor stands before you, explain this. Why did your story change before and after the investigation? Your conflicting statements, first admitting guilt, then claiming innocence.
My contradictory claims were necessary to expose the real culprits and clear my name. I reported myself for cheating. It was to save myself. Now, at this clarification event, I'm saying I didn't cheat, also to save myself.
Culprits. Other candidates lose hair pulling all-nighters, and you're plotting underhanded tricks. With your sly, opportunistic behavior, who in the future would dare entrust a case to you? Who would ever trust you? With your talk of handling things legally?
Marcus Chandler, what a legal professional needs is a backbone of integrity. With your cheating weak spine, can you support the robe of law? Can you bear the trust of your clients?
Marcus Chandler, are you sure what you're saying is true and not a fantasy?
Marcus Chandler, your current statement is exactly the same as your previous excuse. You're just spouting nonsense.
Is it nonsense or not? We'll find out soon.
All right, then tell us quickly. You keep dragging it out. I think you're doing it on purpose, deliberately delaying everyone's time.
Yeah, it's on purpose.
Of course I'll speak. But before I do, I have to wait for someone. When she comes, I will naturally speak.
Who is it?
That is Joyce Sutton.
What? Joyce Sutton? Marcus Chandler. At this point, you need to wait for Joyce Sutton to tell the truth.
Marcus Chandler, it seems Foster was right. You cheated to morally blackmail Joyce Sutton and force her to marry you? How shameless.
Marcus Chandler. Oh, Marcus Chandler. Even at this point, you still plan to use this incident to get the most benefits from Joyce Sutton?
Of course not. Before I came, I already sent a text to Joyce Sutton. She will be here soon.
I heard Joyce Sutton is your girlfriend. You were caught cheating before. She insisted on your innocence. Even willing for you, she blocked the inspection team's car.
But, if I remember correctly, the report was also written by Joyce Sutton and others.
In other words,
the current Joyce Sutton, regarding Marcus Chandler, no longer trusts him either.
Joyce Sutton. Why such a sudden and huge change? Could it be?
What's there to guess? Joyce Sutton must have found out about the fingerprints on the file bag belonging to Marcus Chandler. She knows. Marcus Chandler is a despicable and shameless person.
Right. Others earn respect through strength. Only you, Marcus Chandler, cheated your way into the group. In the future, when colleagues mention you, they have to add a note. The one who cheated their way in.
You can't even manage basic exam honesty. How can you talk about upholding social fairness and justice? It's simply the greatest mockery of the law.
Marcus Chandler, you think cheating is your skill? It's written in your life's file, an indelible stain.
It is a nail on the legal pillory, a nail.
No wonder Joyce Sutton looks down on you.
Joyce Sutton was so good to you, and you actually let her down. You. What is your crime?
Right.
Marcus Chandler, what is your crime?
What is his crime? You animal.
Joyce Sutton, I thought you wouldn't show up.
I wouldn't miss it. Marcus Chandler, have you forgotten how close we used to be? Back then, I never rejected any of your requests.
Marcus Chandler, you're dating my daughter, yet committed such shameful cheating. You'll never marry her.
Really now?
Marcus Chandler, how could you actually cheat? I trusted you, but you betrayed me.
Mom knows you've always liked Marcus Chandler, but a man like him isn't worth your heart.
Marcus Chandler, how dare you smile? Do you really think you earned this license through merit? Others work honestly, but you stole yours. Doesn't it burn your hands? How do you sleep at night?
Marcus Chandler, the legal profession demands integrity. With your dirty hands, can you uphold justice? Won't it choke you?
Marcus Chandler, you're a thief in the bar exam. You stole not just scores, but others' futures, and justice itself.
Marcus Chandler, with your scheming mind, will you keep exploiting legal loopholes, scamming clients too?
Marcus Chandler, don't be mad. I reported you to help you start anew. Don't worry. Even in prison, I'll wait for you.
Thank you. But I don't need it.
Marcus Chandler, how could you treat Joyce Sutton like this? Listen well. Others take the bar exam to prove they're worthy. You cheated to prove you're unworthy. Your success is built on others' tears.
Marcus Chandler, law is sacred. Your cheating defiles it.
You think cheating won the exam, but you lost your integrity and dignity. You lost completely.
Think of those who failed, but worked honestly. Your success tramples on others and their tears. Shameless.
It's fine, Marcus Chandler. I'm here. Just focus on publicly confessing your crimes today. I promise, even if you're jailed, I'll care for your family.
This is unacceptable. Our family may be wealthy, but we're no fools.
She's right, Joyce Sutton. Why should you care for his parents? Take my advice. Don't be too naive.
Keep acting. Put on a show.
Marcus Chandler, I brought a ring to this hearing. I'll propose to you.
What? Joyce Sutton, have you gone mad?
Marcus Chandler, you finally revealed your true colors. You cheated just to emotionally blackmail her.
The ring is beautiful, but I don't need it. Angry now? Want to kill me?
How could that be, Marcus? I know you're mad at me for signing my name on the complaint letter, but Marcus, you need to understand everything I've done was to guide you back to the right path.
I don't need this. I've always been on the right path.
Marcus Chandler, what nonsense are you spouting? You got caught red-handed cheating on the bar exam. A license obtained through cheating is as worthless as scrap paper. Aren't you ashamed to hold it? No guilt in your heart?
Legal professionals require unshakable integrity. You spineless cheater, even in judicial robes, you're still a coward. Get out of here. Stop embarrassing yourself.
Marcus Chandler, there's no turning back now. No escape routes left. With a woman like Joyce Sutton, who loves you, you should learn to be content.
I've said, I don't need it.
Enough. She's rejecting your kindness. Why bother?
Stay out of this, Mom. Go home.
I say, we should let Marcus Chandler rot in prison forever. Let him decay in there.
By the way, Marcus Chandler, didn't you promise to reveal the truth once Joyce Sutton arrived? The big revelation? She's here now. Where's your truth? Marcus Chandler.
Don't tell me you lied to everyone?
Of course not.
Then why hesitate? Speak up. Show us how you'll cover your ugly deeds with this massive lie.
From my public report of cheating to today's clarification conference, I have only one goal. That is, to save myself. I asked the provincial inspection team to take me away on cheating charges just to come here to hold this clarification conference, because I know only the provincial team can help me save myself.
Marcus Chandler, so you've been reporting yourself for plagiarism and cheating just to have the team take you away?
That's right, including everyone here today, all of you, and the online, public opinion that keeps fermenting. I let it all happen, because only when this matter becomes known nationwide will my chances of survival be the highest.
Marcus Chandler, I heard you were harmed by Jack Sutton in the provincial team, even almost lost your life. Could it be that this chance of survival you speak of is related to this?
Jack Sutton, he's not the mastermind behind the whole thing.
That can't be Marcus Chandler. He was trying to kill you, and he's not the culprit?
No.
So, who is the real culprit then? Who ordered Jack Sutton to harm you?
Of course.
No way.
How could this be?
Quiet.
What are you looking at me for? Are you implying I ordered it?
Wait a moment.
Mrs. Sutton, have you finally sensed that something's off?
Jack Sutton was my ex-husband, but I can assure you, his actions toward you have nothing to do with me or my daughter. After our divorce, he cut all contact with us completely.
My mom was right. He is my father, but we've been estranged for years now. Everything he's done to you was his own doing.
His own doing? Then explain this. Why would he go so far as to desperately try to kill me?
How should I know? Marcus Chandler, stop changing the subject. Shouldn't you be proving whether you cheated instead of this drama?
What a performance. She's right. I do need to prove my innocence. But first...
Exactly. Marcus Chandler, need I remind you, the exam envelope has your fingerprints all over it? Let's see what evidence you can produce to disprove this physical proof.
Marcus Chandler, why are you stalling? Prove your innocence now.
I will prove it. But first, I must save someone.
Save someone? What's your game? This time, none of this makes sense? You need to clear your name by saving someone?
Exactly. The person I'm saving is Joyce Sutton. Only by saving her can I truly prove my innocence.
Marcus Chandler, you're talking nonsense. Joyce Sutton is right here. Standing before us, alive and well.
Marcus Chandler, what do you mean?
I mean exactly this. The Joyce Sutton you see is an impostor. The real one needs saving right now.
Marcus Chandler, you're out of your mind. I thought you had real evidence to back up your claims. Overturn the fingerprint proof. Turns out you're just here, speaking in riddles and playing dumb.
Marcus Chandler, do you even realize what you're saying? The person standing here isn't Joyce Sutton.
Are you blind? I taught Joyce Sutton for 4 years. You were her boyfriend. How could you be so cruel to frame her?
I'm not framing anyone. She's an impostor.
Marcus Chandler, you've broken my heart. Fine. Starting today, I swear, Marcus Chandler and I are done for good. I'll never help him again.
My own daughter? You think I don't know her? Do you seriously believe I wouldn't recognize my own flesh and blood?
Mom, he's clearly insane. He can't prove his innocence, so he's making excuses, trying to brush us off.
Marcus Chandler, we expected you to reveal some hidden truth. Instead, we get this nonsense. Pathetic? How ridiculous is this?
Exactly. Marcus Chandler, Joyce Sutton, loved you for years. How dare you slander her? Enough. This hearing is over. We're done here. Marcus Chandler, not only can't you prove your innocence, you keep framing me instead. I was blind to ever love you.
Marcus Chandler, your actions today? The entire press corps will petition for the maximum penalty under the law.
Legal professionals will join forces to make your case a cautionary example.
Academic circles, too. Marcus Chandler, you'll be seen as vermin, despised and loathed. You'll never regain our respect.
Joint petitions, maximum punishment, genuine respect.
Stop fighting. Marcus Chandler, don't forget your family back home. Consider their future carefully.
Come in.
Director Gray.
What brings you here?
Director Gray, so you're holding this clarification meeting. What's the point? Marcus Chandler, not only does he not admit his guilt, he's also framing others.
Director Gray, you're the head of the provincial inspection team. Someone like Marcus Chandler, how can you let him run wild here, causing trouble? Can you live with what you're doing?
Director Gray, the truth of the matter. You know it all, right?
Of course, you're right. Everyone. This clarification meeting for Marcus Chandler was approved by me because I believe him. His actions in the bar exam incident were all for self-preservation.
What? Director Gray, what do you mean by that? You mean you believe Marcus Chandler's nonsense?
Wait, Director Gray, you said Marcus Chandler was saving himself? Saving himself from what? He's been spreading rumors. His girlfriend didn't do anything.
Marcus Chandler is a thief in the bar exam. He didn't steal scores. He stole other people's opportunities. The dignity of the law. You'll be stuck with that thief's name.
Director Gray, are you getting senile?
If you want to question it, Then show me the evidence first.
What about Marcus Chandler, Director Gray? Do you know how ridiculous what he just said was? He actually said Joyce Sutton isn't Joyce Sutton.
Yeah. Then I have to ask, if this Joyce Sutton isn't Joyce Sutton, then who is she?
Marcus Chandler, do you see that? No matter how eloquent you are, they will never believe a word you say.
Evidence? Of course, there's evidence.
What? What is this?
This is the evidence. This paternity test report proves that this Joyce Sutton in front of us is not the real Joyce Sutton.
What? That's a serious accusation.
How is this possible?
This can't be real.
Mom, this must be slander and defamation. This paternity test report must be fake. How could I not be your daughter?
Right. This has to be the truth. The report is fabricated.
This is the Provincial Inspection Team, Courtroom 3. Today's clarification hearing is being live streamed. How could I forge evidence?
No, I refuse to believe this.
It's you. What did you offer the inspectors to collude with you? How did you make them frame me together?
I gave them nothing, not a single thing. I have the people's support, while you stand alone.
You. Guards, Marcus Chandler's trying to kill me.
Killing you would be too merciful.
Let go of me.
What's going on here?
Could it be?
Director Gray was right. Release my daughter.
Mrs. Sutton, don't you see? This paternity test can't be falsified. She's truly not your daughter.
If she's not my daughter, why does she look exactly like Joyce Sutton? I get it now. You're framing this to clear Marcus Chandler. You forged the report. Listen well. I won't fall for this. I'm calling the police.
If she's your daughter, then who is she really?
Mom.
What's going on? How can there be two identical Joyce Sutton?
You're not mistaken. The one with the crutch covered in injuries is the real Joyce Sutton. That other version, she's a fugitive impersonating your daughter.
She's wanted by the police.
Director Gray, you're saying this criminal got surgery to mimic Joyce Sutton, infiltrated the school as her, and tricked us all?
Reporter Foster, did you get the documents? Reporter Foster went to the police station and obtained her complete criminal profile. The DNA analysis from her hair confirms it's all a match. Her real identity is a member of an international financial fraud ring, codename Flower Snake. So Marcus Chandler's press conference today isn't just to clear his name. It's to rescue the real victim, the genuine Joyce Sutton. Still need proof? Reporter Foster, the real Joyce Sutton, has had this arm scar since age 5 from a car accident. It's medically irreparable. The impostor lacks this mark. That's conclusive evidence.
I'm sorry. It was my fault as a mother. I can't believe I failed to notice that your identity had been swapped.
Take her away.
This is absolutely unbelievable. It turned out to be true.
My own student was replaced, and I remained completely oblivious. I failed to live up to the sacred title of a teacher.
I'm sorry, Marcus Chandler. I fabricated those news stories for clicks and headlines, chasing after viral fame. I made baseless assumptions about you. I don't deserve forgiveness. My sins are unforgivable. I'm so sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Please, don't do this. Your efforts were crucial in exposing the fake Joyce Sutton. None of this could have happened without your help. This is all my fault. You've suffered so much.
Marcus Chandler, there's something I don't understand. How did you discover she was an impostor when no one else noticed?
Yes, how did you figure it out?
Everyone. The key to uncovering the fake Joyce Sutton actually came from my recent decision to expose my own cheating incident.
So you're suggesting this is about cheating, but according to the facts, you didn't cheat at all.
Marcus Chandler, the fake Joyce Sutton, has been apprehended. Your immediate danger is over. It's time to present the full truth to everyone involved. Those who have closely followed this matter urgently need answers, and those answers can only come from you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me clarify one thing first. I've never accessed the bar exam papers. They've been under strict security protocols with zero leakage risks. Regarding my fingerprints on the exam envelope, it's simple. They were planted. Why did I use morning session notes during the afternoon exam? All of this led us to this moment. Let's rewind to 2 months before the exam. Back then, I'd just obtained my international law license. It was a major career milestone. To avoid unnecessary complications, I kept this achievement completely confidential, even from Joyce Sutton. The strange part was finding a legal document with forged signature in case file. When did I sign this document? This made me suspect identity theft. Since that day, I have secretly investigated these forged documents. Thorough inspection revealed multiple cases over the past year using my credentials and forged signatures. The total amount exceeds $10 million. Where did these signatures originate? Could it be Joyce Sutton? Through technical analysis, I discovered these signatures are high-precision forgeries based on my usual signature samples. The only people who could have accessed my signature samples are those closest to me. What's worse, I found all my clients' signatures have also been replicated by someone.
Marcus, you've been working too hard since joining Golden Shore. I'm worried about you. Let me help you with this.
I can't. These documents must be handled personally by me.
Of course they're yours. I meant routine tasks like processing court judgments or handling document copies. I can take care of those. Plus, I'll learn more legal knowledge. Marcus, didn't you always say you wanted me to surpass you and become a great lawyer?
All right. Could it be Joyce Sutton? Joyce Sutton often accessed documents under the guise of helping organize files. I suspected the signatures on these documents were forged by her, so I seized an opportunity to check her phone. Joyce Sutton, why does your phone contain these?
Why did you snoop on my phone?
Joyce Sutton, explain this. Why does your phone have all my personal information? ID copies, bar license photos, even signature samples. Why would you need these?
What are you implying? Shouldn't I have these?
Do you think you should?
Keeping my boyfriend's records, is that wrong? I did all this because I love you so much.
Love. I've never seen love requiring such actions. This is criminal, you know.
Criminal? Marcus, I'm your beloved partner. We've been together 10 years, yet you doubt me like this? Fine. If that's how it is, I might as well die. I'll kill myself.
Wait. What are you doing?
If even my loved one suspects me like this, why should I keep living? Better to end it all.
All right. My mistake. I shouldn't have doubted you. I believe you, okay?
Really?
Truly. But promise me, these documents stay exclusively with you. No leaks allowed. You're such a troublemaker.
Marcus, take me to that French restaurant. All my friends have tried it, except me.
Fine, let's go.
Stinky cat, get lost.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I was just startled by a cat.
The Joyce Sutton I know would never treat a cat like that. Joyce Sutton, slow down.
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, I'm fine. As long as the cat is safe.
Could it be?
Then, let's go.
Ah. Joyce Sutton had a scar on her arm from an old injury, an unfixable scar. But the person standing before me now has no scars at all. Let's go, it's okay. I knew it. She's not Joyce Sutton. She's an impostor with plastic surgery. Her real identity is a member of an international financial scam, a key member in Huayang City, codename Flower Snake. This group targets high-end legal professionals for identity theft and fraud. They exploit lawyers' reputations to commit large-scale financial crimes. She's impersonating Joyce Sutton to get close to me and at a crucial moment, steal my lawyer identity. In further investigation, I discovered a more terrifying conspiracy. The scam group of fake Joyce Sutton not only steals lawyer identities for financial crimes, but also plans to manipulate the bar exam to cultivate more puppet lawyers. And this group even knew 6 months ago what questions would be on this year's bar exam. No, I need to call the police.
Wait a minute.
They've already stolen my identity and done so many illegal things. If I call the police, I'll tip them off. Not only will we not find the real Joyce Sutton, but more legal professionals will be framed. What should I do to take down this entire criminal group?
Marcus Chandler, why didn't you sign up for this bar exam?
I forgot. This imposter doesn't know that I already got into Golden Shore, and the International Bar Association gave me my international license. I don't need to take the bar exam. Oops, I forgot.
I knew you were careless, so I signed you up. See, I told you keeping your ID info would be useful. If you miss this year's bar exam, you're really done for. Marcus, this year's bar exam, you could take first place. Then you'll smoothly join Golden Shore Law Firm. Maybe even get an international lawyer license.
This imposter, that's the real plan. Joyce, not necessarily. As I recall, don't you want Golden Shore too? Should I intentionally flunk to let you in?
Marcus, what nonsense. Marcus, I need to go. Eat without me. What did you say? Marcus Chandler might know who I really am? Impossible. My disguise was flawless.
Just as I thought. Your fake identity's exposed.
To eliminate future risks, we must remove him permanently. Find a solution.
I've got an idea. Marcus Chandler's taking the bar exam. If we plant cheat sheets on him during the test, he'll be disqualified for cheating, loses legal qualifications. Then he won't threaten our corporation anymore.
After his arrest, play the devastated girlfriend, gain public sympathy, and control the narrative. Convince everyone he cheated.
Want me dead that badly? You won't get your way. So this frame-up, using study sessions to plant afternoon exam answers in my pocket. Wait. I can turn this trap against them. If I'm caught cheating passively, I'll fall right into her trap. Then I'll proactively confess to cheating. This way, I not only seize the initiative, but also keep the cheat sheet as evidence. More importantly, I can use legal protection to safely expose the fake Joyce Sutton and her group's crimes. I know they chose the afternoon session for a reason. If I'm caught in the morning session with the afternoon's answers, it'll look like I got the questions early, leading to worse accusations of leaks. That would not only ruin my career, but also make me face more serious legal consequences, completely losing the ability to fight back. But what you didn't expect is, this seemingly smart design instead becomes my key evidence to fight back. Because only insiders could have obtained such accurate answers, and this proves there's a huge criminal group operating behind this.
So, you reported yourself for cheating? To save yourself?
That's right. I choose to confess cheating. All of this was my well-thought-out self-rescue strategy.
Marcus Chandler, you're incredible. You're the best lawyer in the history of Golden Shore Law Firm. Tell us, how did you plan this?
First, by confessing to cheating, I can keep the cheat sheet as evidence, avoiding it being destroyed by the fake Joyce Sutton and her criminal group. The answers on this cheat sheet are exactly the same as the real ones. This in itself is a very important clue, enough to prove that there are insiders involved.
Yeah. How did I not think of that? Marcus Chandler. I'm sorry, Marcus Chandler. I shouldn't have misunderstood you.
Second, by entering the judicial process, I can get legal protection safely, thus avoiding being persecuted by this group. And during the judicial investigation, I can further reveal more of the truth, thus step by step, uncover the entire criminal network. Third, I really needed a very dramatic way to get enough attention, so the relevant departments pay attention and find a chance to eradicate this tumor that endangers the entire legal profession.
But I have another question. Why did we doubt you so much? You never told us the truth. Even a slight hint would have been enough.
Because this involves a core truth of my entire self-rescue plan. That is...
The core truth? What is it? Tell me quickly.
I know. This is me saving myself, the only way to save more people. If I fail, the fake Joyce Sutton and them will continue to use my identity to commit crimes. That way, I'll not only be a scapegoat, but more innocent people will suffer.
So, the fake Joyce Sutton then
gave me those informant letters.
The fingerprints of the parties are?
That's right. It's all them. By replicating my case files, they obtained the parties' fingerprints in order to make it impossible for me to recover, and their fingerprints on the test paper bags were also obtained in the same way. In fact, they never had the chance to steal the real bar exam papers. They could only use the method of leaving fingerprints on the papers to frame me, in order to use this kind of seemingly irrefutable evidence to have me completely convicted.
Oh my God, this is terrible.
So, you keep saying, if you don't do this, you will die.
That's right. This isn't a physical death, but for me, Marcus Chandler, a career and personality completely destroyed. Once the fake Joyce Sutton and the criminal group behind her succeed in their plan, I will bear the crime of huge financial fraud, and I will not only lose my freedom, but even my family and friends will be implicated.
So, you just want to make things big, to make it reach the province, so that these dark forces won't get involved with you.
Yes. For this, I also need this clarification conference to let the whole province and even the whole country hear my voice. That way, no one will be able to stop me from speaking out again. All of this. I also want to thank Director Gray and Chief Landry. It's because they are smart enough that my self-rescue plan can be successfully completed.
No, Marcus. It's you who relied on genius-like legal wisdom and unwavering courage that saved you.
Marcus, this time, thank yourself. It's you who saved yourself.
It's over. Marcus, congratulations. From this moment on, it's a new chapter in your life.
After the clarification conference, this matter across the country caused a huge sensation. Finally, the provincial prosecutor conducted an investigation, which basically matched what we said.
Let's welcome this heroic lawyer who bravely exposed financial fraud, Marcus Chandler.
The operating mode of this group is extremely cunning. They will send beautiful members to approach potential legal talents, establish long-term emotional relationships, and after gaining their trust, gradually steal the other party's identity information, professional qualifications, and signature samples. Then, using this information and the name of the lawyer, they conduct various financial fraud activities, including fake legal consultations, forging legal documents, illegal fundraising, and so on. Due to the specificity of the legal profession and social reputation, Victims often find it difficult to detect. By the time they discover it, they have already suffered heavy losses, and the real lawyer will become a scapegoat and bear all legal responsibility. But now, they will all receive the highest level of punishment.
Marcus, here.
Son.
Because I led to the cracking of this financial fraud case, the Bar Association and other orgs have restored all my qualifications.
Son, you've worked hard.
Dad, are you all right?
Marcus, don't worry. That fraud group has been completely wiped out. Your father, because of your performance this time, is even more respected in the entire legal community.
That's right, son. Now, everyone says our Chandler family has truly produced a genius lawyer. To actually discover such a large fraud group.
Chief Landry, thank you.
I should be thanking you. This time. Because of this, I even got a promotion and raise. Next year, I'll be reporting to Director Gray's side.
Marcus, thank you.
Fairness isn't a slogan. Justice isn't charity. It's the air that every ordinary person deserves to breathe, the bottom line of survival. I choose to stand at the foot of justice, not for applause, not for fame, but for the weight behind the words lawyer, fairness, and justice. This is my bottom line and my belief until death. My duty is to tear off the mask of disguise, to let the silent voices be heard, to make distorted rules pay the price, no matter how strong the opponent, no matter how high the price. As long as the truth is hidden, as long as justice is not served. My fight will never stop. The weapons the law gives me, I will use them to cut through all the shackles of injustice.